Hello everyone, in this video I am going to continue the question paper of Jamia Millia Islamia BFA Entrance Exam 2020 for Bachelors of Fine Arts in Applied Arts. This is the second part of the entire video. Question number 26. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in A. July 1948, B. July 1950, C. July 1947, D. August 1947, and the correct answer is July 1947. Question number 27. Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Pune, D. West Bengal, and the correct answer is A. Maharashtra. Question number 28. Posters are used for A. Publicity purpose, information to all in general, B. Marriage purpose, C. Entertainment, D. Education, and the correct answer is A. Publicity purpose, information to all in general. Question number 29. Raja Ravi Verma was a well-known A. Sculptor, B. Theatre personality, C. Writer, D. Painter, and the correct answer is D. Painter. Question number 30. Taj Mahal was built in the memory of A. Rukhsana Begum, B. Noor Jahan, C. Anarkali, D. Mumtaz, and the correct answer is C. Mumtaz. Question number 31. Calligraphy means A. Kind of dance form, B. Beautiful handwriting, C. To cook a special dish, D. Pretty design, and the correct answer is B. Beautiful handwriting. Question number 32. Folk arts are the art forms of, options are A. Urban people, B. Rural people, C. Tribals, and D. Traditional people, and the correct answer is D. Traditional people. Question number 33. Making art with glue and paper is called A. Sculpture, B. Printing, C. Collage, D. Painting, and the correct answer is C. Collage. Question number 34. Logo is A. Department, B. Direction, C. Name of a company or a product, D. List of product, and the correct answer is C. Name of a company or a product. Question number 35. Green color is mixture of A. Red and yellow, B. Blue and red, C. Blue and yellow, D. Blue and orange, and the correct answer is C. Blue and yellow. Question number 36. Ramkinkar Baij was a well-known A. Printmaker, B. Sculptor, C. Poet, D. Architect, and the correct answer is B. Sculptor. Question number 37. Who is the author of Malgudi Days? A. Arundhati Roy, B. Khushwant Singh, C. R.K. Narayan, D. Ruskin Bond, and the correct answer is C. R.K. Narayan. Question number 38. Who composed the famous song Sare Jahan Se Acha? Options are A. Jaydev, B. Muhammad Iqbal, C. Ravindranath Tagore, D. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and the correct answer is B. Muhammad Iqbal. Question number 39. RAM in the computer refers to A. Motherboard, B. Processor, C. Audio device, D. Memory device, and the correct answer is D. Memory device. Question number 40. The ozone layer restricts A. Visible light, B. Infrared radiation, C. X-ray and gamma rays, D. Ultraviolet radiation, and the correct answer is D. Ultraviolet radiation.